1969, the year which ushered the Green Revolution in India. The exotic harvest of a grain created ripples in the country. The name of that special crop was Sonalika. Motivated by this name, a group emerged in Hoshiarpur, a city in Punjab, with a dream to bring in mechanized farming among the farmer community of the world. Fortunately, the group who brought this wonder was Sonalika. The golden days of Sparrow of Gold returned once again. The farms started blooming with golden crops. Sonalika Agro Industries Corporation started in 1969, manufacturing farming equipments like threshers, plows, trolleys, harrows, cultivators and rotavator, thus providing complete range of farming implements to the international farming communities. Stretching a step ahead towards the progress of the nation, Sonalika Group visualized the immediate requirement of the farmers. The group came out with Sonalika tractor, and in no time it became the darling and the first choice of the Indian farmers. To upgrade the technical dimension, Sonalika Group collaborated with Renault Agriculture of France. Aiming further development, the Sonalika Group accorded yet another technical collaboration with Yanmar Company of Japan. Today, Sonalika is proud to be among one of the most renowned tractor manufacturing companies of India. Presently, Sonalika has entered a special place in the world market due to its high degree of superior quality, affordability and appropriate technology. Sonalika tractors ranging 20 horsepower to 120 horsepower capacity are giving complete agricultural solutions. The performance and acceptance of Sonalika tractors in over 72 countries world over is the true testimony of its high quality. So now, let us have a rendezvous of the Sonalika plant in Hoshiarpur, a city in Punjab. The plant produces 200 tractors per day. The manufacturing activities here comprises of producing all parts of the tractor, including small hydraulic components to main engines, its gearbox and other parts under one roof. The sheet metal, casting and forging departments handle specific role of manufacturing. Sonalika is a fast-growing company which is constantly surging forward. Today, there are more than 4 lakh of highly satisfied customers of Sonalika across the globe. Sonalika has an ultra-modern manufacturing plant having production compliance with the International Code of Standardization and carries ISO 9001-2000, 14001-2004 certifications. And now, Sonalika products are being exported to several European countries along with homologation certification. For the convenience of the buyers of tractors ranging from 20 horsepower to 120 horsepower, the company has an elaborate and organized team including 850 dealers, 65 stockists and 35 spare parts stockists, along with after-sales service backup support in India. Apart from fields applications, Sonalika tractors with industrial attachments like backhoe, loader, compressor, trailers, tankers, etc. Sonalika tractors are perfectly operational in all types of earth surfaces. Having zero defect features, Sonalika tractors have become the farmer's choice. The Department of Science and Industrial Research, Government of India, has also conferred accreditation to the company's R&D department. Friends, today, Sonalika is recognized as a frontline group in the country, having under its command the units like International Tractors Limited, which manufactures the Sonalika tractors. For the comforts of the farmers, Sonalika has designed the tractor with overhead cabin in order to shield the farmer from the harsh climatic conditions. Sonalika means graded quality and assured success. Sonalika tractor is popular among the farmers of the country because of its low maintenance and powerful pulling strength. The unique feature of Sonalika tractor is the installation of diesel saver, which minimizes the diesel consumption. Sonalika tractors have better grip and balance during operation as compared to the other tractors. Sonalika RX range is the first preference of the modern Indian farmers because of its international design, which is evident from the aerodynamic shape of its bonnet. Garden Track 20 horsepower is a compact tractor which is proving a boon for the small farmers. It is a multi-purpose tractor which can be used for food, vegetable and orchard applications. Now the crown product of Sonalika is the World Track Series, comprising of 60 horsepower to 90 horsepower built with world ranking technology and can accomplish industrial as well as commercial duties apart from the field applications. The company is keenly working towards all those technical and other parameters to improve the prospectus of profitability for its user. Sonalika tractor is a product of A1 category, which also functions on the principle of 3 A's, that is A for appropriate, adaptable, affordable. The group's march towards new horizons is on.